What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
Every 5 minutes, it shuts off. It overheats.
It says overheating.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I got you. Holy, wow.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
That ain't mine, man. That's my son's.
I blame your son.
Yeah.
Look at this dust, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. We went outside. Look at this. Wow. You really asking me why it's not turning?
Mm-hmm.
You can't tell? Wow. Everywhere. What do you do, man? What are you video filming?
Huh?
Is this the worst one ever?
I haven't seen one like that. Wait.
You. And more. You collect all the dust in here, man.
That's the battery, though, huh?
This is the power supply.
Mm-hmm.
Get in there. You have to clean all this. Get this. Time to put everything back. Looking clean.
With a lot.
Fresh. Look at this. Final look. This is my workplace. Look at all the dust. Your PlayStation is ready, sir. Here. For you.
I thank you. You did a beautiful job, man.
You like it?
Very well.